Hello everyone, today I am at EMO Hannover and right now I am at Manar Tools. Do you know what I have today with me? Dandana, the Innovation Passport. We are showcasing at EMO 2025 the PCD tools which are known for their great hardness and great resistance and its use for the machining solution. So let's talk about this innovative product with Mr. Vishal Telge.
This solid PCA tool is new generation tools which will going forward this tool will replace carbide tools. This tool is very effective in terms of cost per component. We are the first company in India who have the latest technology. In 2024 we brought new femto technology which we brought to the India, and with the help of that technology we have produced this tool. These tools are widely used in aerospace industry as well as automobile industry, die and mold making industry, jewelry industry. So this tool is very special.
So here is the innovation and here is the passport. So here it is. Thank you so much.